Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today we are going to be tearing open our Birchbox for January. Now you guys know that I just restarted signing up with them last month. I got 2 boxes for the price of 1, so those were both really good boxes. So I guess this is going to be the test to see how it's going to be going for me. We're going to see if it continues the pattern this month. I did try out the shampoo and conditioner from one of the boxes last month. I think it was made by the company Mino, or I'll write it on the screen somewhere or link it down below or write it in the description box, something like that. But I didn't really like it. I did like all of the products that I got last month, but I was not really a fan of that particular product. That doesn't mean it's a bad product, I just didn't personally like it for myself. But yeah, there's that. So let's go ahead and see what we got in this month's Birchbox. So here is the box this month, and we're having that same thing where it doesn't want to close, so that always gets me curious to know what exactly is in here. Whoa. So on top has a little card, and I'm assuming, yeah, this tells what all is in here. So this is actually a really handy card. This is going to show you everything that is inside. And it looks like we got some pretty good stuff again. I do see a repeat, but that does not bother me because this is the mascara that I have on right now, and I really like it. And that's saying something because lately I've been so hooked on the Epic mascara that nothing has crossed paths. But this is actually pretty good, and this was by Stila. It's originally $23. It's called Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. It says this inky black mascara lets your lashes go big in every way. One coat leaves major volume, curl, and length. And I 100% agree. Like, I'm not really big on getting repeat offenders inside of a box, but if I'm going to, it's perfectly fine when it's especially a mascara. But if it's a product that I already like, I'm game. That's fine by me, and this was awesome. This is a dry texturizing spray from Oribe, or Orib. I don't know how you say that. I have no idea. Sorry if I butchered it. But it says that the full size of it retails for $46, so that is pretty steep. I hope this works really well. It says part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. And you spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize texture. So that's pretty cool. This is a pretty decent size little, container. I guess you could learn quite a bit on whether or not you like it. And it's perfect size to throw in your purse to keep on the go to. But the true question is, does it smell good? So we got to find out. Ah! Yeah, that smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really good. It kind of reminds me of the dry shampoo from Batiste, the dark one, which is what I use. I just got 3 of those from Ulta because I just recently dyed my hair darker again. It's probably not going to stay very long, but that does smell good. And I need lots of texture. This is actually extensions right here, just so I can have my hair half up without looking bald. Let's see. This is a Bioderma serum, Hydra Serum. It says full size of it is $24.90, and it says like a drink of H2O for your face. This serum has hyaluronic acid and glycerin for a hydration boost, and the brand's Aquagenium complex to maintain moisture, and you apply it to clean skin. So you guys know I'm a super dry person, so they definitely ticked the box for that one. I need this real bad. I know without a doubt I'm going to butcher the name of this right here. It's LAQA & Co. So is it Laka? Or is it just LAQA? I don't really know. But it says Be Lighter in Peach Daughter. The full size is $17, and it says part highlighter, part blush. This formula catches the light for a lit from within glow. Dab onto your cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. So let's see what this looks like. That sounds interesting. And by interesting, I don't mean it in a bad way. I mean it sounds pretty. It sounds pretty cool. Ooh, I don't know. It's a cream. I don't know how I feel about this. It is pretty, but I could see me. How do I make you see it? There you go. There you go. You can see it kind of right there. It's actually really nice, but I'm not sure how I would feel about it on my skin. I would definitely need to set it in place. Well, no, maybe not. It actually blends out really well too. See that? It blends out really nicely. So that's actually a pretty cool product. I'm very intrigued by all of these things. And then the last thing in here is by, I'm assuming that this is DOLLAT, or that's how I'm gonna say it, or for now until somebody corrects me. But this says it's a Freematic eyeshadow single in Veronica. The full size is $10, and it says wear this shade solo or with the exclusive DOLLAT and Birchbox Freematic eyeshadow quad. So this is definitely a Nikki color. Seems like if it's farther back you can see it better for some reason. Yeah, that is a Nikki color for sure. And I have still got plenty of space in my little palette here, my little Z palette, for it to go and have a home. So that's awesome too, but we must swatch it. Ooh, that's so pretty. Y'all can't see. It's that right there. Whether you can see that or not, I don't know. I think the lights are kind of washing it out, but it's a really pretty shimmery color, so hopefully you can see that. But that is everything that I got in this month's Birchbox, and I gotta tell you, I'm impressed with literally everything. Nothing that came this month was a disappointment, even though I definitely, you know, this is definitely a replay product. They sent this last month actually, and I used it today, but this is a awesome mascara. If you are looking for one, I mean, obviously buy the unique one, but this is a awesome mascara, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. And I think the most intriguing product for sure was this blush slash highlight. This is very pretty. I'm really impressed. But yeah, that is all from me, guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you're not already signed up with Birchbox, or if you're looking to sign up with Birchbox, I will leave a link down in the description box, and that's all for now, so I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave if you have not already, and always be you. Bye, guys.